So you're using Figma for everything right now, just like me. If you are not, you should. And while using Figma, we still counter some of the problems regarding photo manipulating, right? Manipulating photos and all. But not anymore. So let's roll out the intro. So hi there folks, Mehul back again with another new video, and today I am gonna be showing you a really great Figma extension that will obviously help you to like create, not create, like manipulate some of the photos, like adding brightness and all. Like you will say that we already have that, like manipulating photos for we have this brightness panel, hue, saturation, everything is already there, so why do we need it? But this Figma extension actually brings more. Okay, so it has like cropping features. Now you will ask, we already have cropping, but you don't have this ratio cropping in Figma built in. Okay, so that is one thing. Another thing is like it has tons of filters. Now I don't know how good that is, like if you will prefer it or not, but let's see. Okay, let's see a demo of the filter and let's see if we like it or not, right? So today I am using again the same Figma file that I used to show you every time when I make a tutorial on Figma. So this is a plugin. Like let's see what the plugin gives us. Okay, no, there are lots of other whatever. We're not showing that. This is the thing, like mini photo editor. And can crop, rotate, flip, blah blah blah, and lots of things. So most of the features are already over here, like flipping, cropping but not ratio crop, and rotating. Obviously all of those are here, but we are like we're gonna explore something else as well here today. So let's just bring up the like I have to choose this first, and let's just bring up the mini photo editor. And as you can see over here, that is, it has selected the photo already, and you have to first of all select the photo, then you can do it, and you can rotate it, and it is giving you that grid diagram. Okay, for scaling. And is it possible to, no, so double click doesn't like give you back the previous, like keeps you in the zero, like in Figma we have that. No, not in Figma, but I think in Adobe Lightroom we have that feature. Then we have a certain amount of croppings, like cropping ratios. So we have square, 4 is to 3, 3 is to 4, 16 is to 9, and 9 is to 16 as well. Okay, then we have flips, rotate. So obviously I don't want to rotate it. And you have undo, do, redo, all of those. Now this is just only the cropping functions. So you have all of other sets as well. Now here are some of the filters that is this filter is pretty much good, yeah, right? This is also great. Like I'm liking it. I'm obviously liking it. I don't know about you, but I'm liking it for sure because it's looks cool. And for a like quick edit like this, you can totally use it. Like I'm really loving it. And if you want to fine tune this filter as well, you can use this panel, like increasing the brightness, or if I don't want to increase it, exposure, contrast, exposure, saturation, exposure, temperature, gamma. So in Figma we don't have gamma. Then in Figma we don't have clarity as well, I think. And vignetting, we don't have vignetting in Figma as well, as you can see. Oh, it's looking great. Wait, let me keep it to this and actually increase or decrease the clarity a bit, and just play with gamma a little bit more. Yeah, now it's okay. In terms of exposure, what can we do? No. In terms of temperature, let's bring it to a cooler temperature. Saturation, Actually, I can take off all the saturation, still it will look great. But in terms of saturation, I will keep it low. Contrast, I don't want to blow it up. Brightness, okay. Now, what is this? I don't know. But oh, what is this? I don't know what is this tool. Let us see. Do we have anything over here? An image redaction tool for secure censoring. Oh, this is that tool. Okay, if you have secure information, then you can just like add a blurb over here. Okay, this is that thing. Okay, okay, okay. So wow, great thing. So let's just import it over in our Figma file. So yeah, here is the changed image, and I don't think it's cropped. Actually, it is cropped. Yeah, it is cropped. As you can see it here, the like the picture is actually 16:9, but it's looking like this over here. So I like I have done it wrong over here. Like when you are exporting the picture, don't click on the same uh, photo that you are selecting right now, but you have to, right? Like if I change something, okay, then how we are supposed to care it? I don't know. But as we can see it over here, that obviously it is okay. Wait, done, done, guys, done. Yeah, it's done. But still, it is not the right way to do it, to be honest. But still, we are getting it. So me to the maker of this plugin, please fix this. You need to fix this because otherwise this doesn't gonna make sense as a whole plugin. But still, I like it, and it's a quick handy tool to like yeah, edit some pictures and all. So that's great. So that's about it about this plugin. Let me know if you like it or not, if you're gonna use it or not. And if you know about some of the great plugins like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you, yeah, yeah, that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. So bye.